Alright everyone, this is how they all turned out. Alright, so the Rainbow Edition Bronco has a reflective backing. That's what I used the tinfoil on that. Can't really tell much of a difference when it's lit up. Can't really tell much of a difference when it's lit up. But when you turn it off, it looks a little different. I mean, it's brighter like a regular headlight would be. And then side markers turned out well. This is not a Traxxas light kit. This is a light kit made by Apex. Bought it off Amazon. All the lights right there. Up here, they work. And the black Bronco, same deal, except I had one problem with one light, but that wasn't the light kit's fault. That was my fault. Because I had put the light in the socket and I was trying to remove it, and it was like really difficult to get out, and I pulled on the wire too hard. So we have this one right up here is not working right now. This one right here, but I can get it working. Not a big deal. Headlights on this side. You know, there might be a, you can see a little bit of a darker hue around the outside. But go ahead and turn them off. Gotta pop the body off to do that. Unplug it. You can see it's got like a dark stealth look like to it right here. And then on the Rainbow Edition Bronco, when I go and unplug that one, it has the silver behind it, kind of like a real headlight would be. So, hey y'all, why don't you just tell me what you think of this one? I had to change the plug because the plug on the speed controller and the plug on the light kit were both female plugs, and had to swap out the one on the light kit side so they plug in, but that wasn't a big thing either. I'm pretty happy with the way these turned out. If you liked what you saw, have any questions or anything, let me know. I like comments. If I don't get back to you right away, it's probably because, well, work got in the way or something. So it's RC Mechanic saying I'll see you next time.